If you are wondering if we have bloatware on Samsung Galaxy A27, then the answer is unfortunately yes, although the bloatware is not really that maybe intrusive as on other cases, but still we have a couple of apps that are pre-installed for us that definitely should not be pre-installed. For some people it might be even convenient that they have been pre-installed, but still I think it is worth mentioning, and I think many people still might consider them to be bloatware, and that is, for example, these social media apps like Facebook and Instagram. We also have Spotify, Netflix and Perplexity pre-installed, and I don't really see any reason why they would have to be pre-installed for us. Like maybe they should just give us an option to choose if we want them to be already installed or not during the initial configuration. But unfortunately they just are, and that's pretty much all. Now, the reason why I said it might be convenient because these are very popular apps, so I can assume that for many people it's good that they are already here, but still I think they can easily be considered as bloatware. Same with TikTok over here, and after the initial configuration there is also a little menu that shows up where you can install additional bloatware. Now thankfully we can turn it off, we can just cancel that and not have them installed, but still if someone just forgets about it, or maybe if someone doesn't really think about it that much during the initial configuration and they just want to go to the home screen as quickly as possible, then of course these apps can be easily installed and then we have to get rid of them if you don't like them. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.